Yeah, right there. Loaded up with piles of fun and scoops of cake for everyone. And all of this is because of who? It's all because of you, Dylan. Love you, Grandma Wenzel.
Show the card. I want to rip it open now.
Well, did you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome, Dylan.
Oh, this got to take a long time to open this one. I know what it is. I can't wait. I never got it before, but I sure gonna like it when I see it. Oh, wow, is that with a sports car? Who's that?
A what?
A sports car.
Oh, wow.
That was smelly.
Let me see.
Ow.
He's got all these new words.
This is the greatest.
Wow.
So, turn it around so Papa can see your car.
Oh.
Can I play with that?
Sure.
That looks like a dune buggy all
Yep,
stuck.